Switch the display off first. Before commencing deep cleaning, the unit must also be isolated. To access below the deck area to deep clean, first remove the glass shelf from the brackets. Next, lift out the air return grille at the front of the display deck. Then, lift out the steel deck plate, using the finger hole provided. Cleaning access is now possible. In the event of a drinks leak, further access, below this area, should be undertaken by a competent person. Replace the deck plate and the air return grille on completion. Carefully offer the glass shelf back into position on the support brackets. Ensure the shelf edge is engaged on the shelf bracket.